So today we are taking up one challenge, which is like a face detection using less than 15 lines of command in Python. Whether it is possible or not, let's see. So to start it, we can just create one new file. Let's say it's a Python file, and we can put it as name like face detection. Let it say basic. Okay. So now we need importantly two uh, packages to do this application. I have already installed it. So you can check here. So you can go to preferences and you can find these options. The first one, like I'm having so many other packages also, but what you exactly need is something called OpenCV. So you can find here, which is like 4.5.3.56 I have installed, and another one package called CV Zone. So this CV Zone is like a customized package developed by CV Zone. It's a YouTube channel, and they're like really doing good. So I'm using their contributions also. So these two packages we require as of now. Let's click OK, and now we'll try to import the basic packages. Import CV2, and next we do have CV Zone. CV Zone dot face detection model. So it's a model they have prepared for our easiness. So I'm just using that one. And in that, I just want to use face detector. Okay. So now what I'm doing is like very simple. I'm using CV2 package and CV zone. In CV zone, particularly, I'm using face detection module alone for this example. So to proceed further, we need to create one variable to just record the screen. Let's say cap equal to cv2 dot video capture. Okay, you can find here, and here we do have two options. Either you can put like 0 here to record live video, or you can put like any video files directly here. Let's say your video is pre-recorded, then you can put like instead of 0 you can put quotes, and inside that file name of your video can be like uh, face.mp4. So you can either way do like this, but for right now I'm just going to use the USB predefined camera installed in my laptop. So I'm just adding 0. In case if you're having external camera, you can just put like 1 2 or something like that. You can figure it out. Next we can just create the resolution for the video capture. Let's put cap.set, and it is having two parameters. One is like 3, and another one is value we need to enter, let's say 640. Yes, now on top you can see it is saying like property ID and value. So we are having 3 comma 640, and we need to have for the other side cap dot set open bracket 4 comma 480. So now we have completed 5 lines. Let's say we need to have face detector now. So we can put detector as a variable equal to face detector and open a bracket. We need to give a threshold value. So on top you can see it is saying like minimum detection uh, constant. It's like a float value they have given 0.5. So we can try the same. Minimum detection on equal to 0.75. So this is like a value you can play based on the video results, maybe 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, anything you can give. Now we can create a condition while true. So first we need to have a condition success, and then we need to have one more variable success. Just a second. Yes. And let me create a variable here, img equal to cap dot read. So I'm just reading the value which we have earlier. Next, just add the variable, and we need to have a bounding box. That is like very important. So bounding box, I'm just using BBOX. Okay, bounding box. It's again variable you can create as per your requirement. And I'm using detector dot find faces, and inside that you can find it is having self img draw. So we have three arguments there. Let's put img comma draw equal to true. Okay, and now we need to get the result out of this one. So I'm using cv2 dot I'm show. So it does have like two arguments. One is like a name, and another one is like the variable which we have used earlier. I want to have the name as like a very simple. So let's put like face detection. You need to put it in quotes. That is very important. Let's move here, quote, and move to the end. Put a quote and press comma. Yes. So now you need to give the variable which you are using earlier, that is img. Just move, press enter. If cv2 dot wait key, in between the bracket you can put one, double equal to ORT, and you can put inside this one single quote Q. So this is very important in case if you want to cancel the screen, which means like when you're running it by mistake, if you have clicked, it is keep on running and you don't want to cancel the program execution directly by pressing the stop button here, you can have this kind of button added here. It will help you in a proper way to close the program. So if Q is pressed, I want to break the program. Once the program is break, next thing is we need to have release cap dot release, and we need to close the window which we have opened. So in cv2 I am sure we have opened a small window, and now we need to close that. So to close it, cv2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, so yes, let's try. Now we have completed the entire program within like 14 lines of program itself. Let's try if it is working fine. We can discuss further. Okay, so we do got an error exactly having Q. So it is saying like syntax error, invalid syntax. Let me check again. If cv2 dot wait key 1 double equal to yes. So any Python program, if you're doing like defining a condition, you need to put a colon at the end. So it is having error. You can see while true, we have given a colon. Same for if condition also we are supposed to give, but I have missed out. Yes, now let's try one more time. Let's run. Yeah, since it is first time, it will take a minute. Yeah, now it's loaded. Let's see. Yes, so you can see me like within 14 lines of code, we are able to track my face without any problem. And this is the bounding box we have defined. And the threshold value, you can see like it is like 93 or percentage, like it is confirming that is me. So it is like a very good. In case if you want to improvise it, like maybe you can put the threshold as 0.9 or 0.8, something like that, and you can play with. So now if you want to close this window, you can do like pressing the stop button here, but most of the time we don't prefer that. So instead of that, what we have added is like a Q button here. So you can just press this face detection tab. You can move anywhere as you want, and you can press the Q button. It will automatically close. So this is like a proper way of closing it, because you can see here process finished with exit code 0, which means like we have closed it properly. If we don't close it properly, let's open it one more time. Yes. So right now it is open. If I'm pressing the stop button directly, you can see like it is saying keyboard interrupt, which means like it doesn't close it properly. So for some applications, we do have problem like this. And this face detection name, which we have given here, you can see on the top of the window, which we have opened. Just a second. Yeah, it's running. Yeah, so you can see on the top here, face detection. So this name is directly coming from here. And we do have like find faces, all those things. Using that, we are able to find. Okay, so this is the very easiest way and shortest way to find faces with 14 lines of code. And this code can be optimized as per our requirement based on the need. Sometimes we may require like finding two faces in a video or like many faces at the same time. We can optimize all these commands as per that based on our requirement. Okay, so we'll catch up in another video. Thank you. Bye.